Hey guys, welcome back. So, what a great year it's been for crypto so far. Ethereum is already up 140% and it's still the beginning of the year. The question is, will Ethereum continue to dominate, or will competitors like Polkadot or Cardano begin to take market share? Well, I've got some great things to share with you guys, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at what I think is Ethereum's biggest competitive advantage. This could send the price of Ethereum soaring, and it's called DeFi. DeFi is short for Decentralized Finance, and what you may not know is that there is a whole ecosystem being built in financial services right now in a decentralized way. And the really exciting part is that it's beginning to explode. The great news is that the blockchain of choice by these companies and products is Ethereum and Ethereum's smart contract. So in this video, we're going to be jumping into the world of DeFi. I'll show you exactly what it is, I'll show you the explosive growth that it's going through, and why all of this is excellent for Ethereum. As always, if you do find anything useful in the video, or just a big fan of Ethereum, be sure to drop a like. That would be much appreciated. Okay, sit back and relax guys as we go into the new world of DeFi, Ethereum's biggest competitive advantage. So here is what we've got coming up. We're first going to jump in and take a look at what exactly is DeFi. I'll then show you the explosive growth going on in DeFi right now. And then I'll keep tying it all in with why I think this is Ethereum's biggest advantage. First up, what is DeFi? Decentralized finance is an experimental form of finance that does not rely on central financial intermediaries, such as brokers, exchanges, or banks, and instead utilizes smart contracts on blockchains, the most common being Ethereum. And this is a recent snapshot of DeFi by category. So you can see the biggest slice is in lending. We then have the next biggest slice in DEXs, which is decentralized exchanges. We then have a slice in assets, derivatives, and a small segment in payments. So as you can see, DeFi falls into 5 main categories: decentralized exchanges, assets, derivatives, payments, and lending being the largest. Now, I know DeFi at first can be confusing, so let's jump into one of the biggest lending projects going on right now so you can fully understand exactly how they work. Check it out. So firstly, we're going to jump over to CoinMarketCap, which lists all the different cryptocurrencies, and there's now over 8,400 different crypto assets. They've put the Model 3 Tesla as number 1, but obviously this is just a bit of fun after Tesla has just bought 1.5 billion of Bitcoin. But what we can do from here is sort it by category, and there is now a DeFi category. And this lists all the different DeFi projects going on right now. So Chainlink is actually something that kind of joins the different networks together. One of the biggest lending platforms right now is Aave. So we'll just use this as one of the examples so you get to understand how DeFi works. Firstly, we can sort all these tokens by platform. Now, check this out. When we sort the tokens by platform, look how many are utilizing Ethereum, Tether, Ethereum, Chainlink, Ethereum, Uniswap. In fact, all of these protocols are utilizing the Ethereum blockchain. A couple on Binance chain, but as you can see, Ethereum is dominating the token space. So, fun fact is that I actually used to work in traditional finance, and one of the companies I worked for was a loan company. Now, in traditional finance, there's lots of middlemen involved. You can call up on a telephone and you get customer service. You have a whole underwriting department. You have brokers helping you to select which product is going to be best. You have a whole team of people assessing your credit score, etc., etc., etc. Now, with DeFi and Aave, they use something called a liquidity pool, which is basically a big pool where everyone puts their money in the form of tokens. From there, people can lend and borrow, and if you become a lender, it opens up a whole new opportunity to make passive income. But instead of just making 0.5% in a bank, check out some of these APYs. So this is the Aave website. This is what's known as a liquidity pool. So it's how much money has been put into the pool for lending and borrowing. And check out these APYs. So these are the different tokens that people are using to lend and borrow. And remember, money in a bank is earning you less than 1%. But on some of these tokens, you can get an APY of over 15%. We have Binance USD over 18%. So for the first time in history, you can become a money lender, be earning the big interest rates and generating passive income. How cool is that? People can also borrow money. So you would deposit tokens as collateral and then you can actually borrow on top of that. Why would you want to borrow? Well, some people just need it for short-term payments, but you could also leverage your current cryptos into buying more cryptos. Bit more high risk, but that option is available. And this is decentralized. So you can't call up customer service. There's no one assessing your credit score. In fact, let me show you a very quick 1-minute video that explains Aave. Feel free to skip ahead, but I do think it's well worthwhile getting to grips with how DeFi works.
Did you know you can earn passive interest on your digital assets? With Aave, you can lend and borrow cryptocurrencies through an easy, secure DeFi protocol. Lenders deposit tokens and receive an interest-earning representation called A tokens. Deposit USDC and receive A USDC. Deposit DAI and receive A DAI. You can withdraw your assets at any time. The interest earned on A tokens will vary based on market supply and demand. Deposits sit in a global liquidity market, meaning that when demand is high, interest rates increase. This all happens automatically, without having to actively manage or monitor your position. With Aave, you can take out a loan by depositing collateral to borrow any supported assets. Repay the loan, along with any incurred debt, to unlock your original deposit. With passive interest paid in real time, it's no wonder Aave has aggregated billions of dollars in deposits to date. Head over to aave.com to get started today.
So, as you saw, this whole new ecosystem is being built on Ethereum. And if you saw my last video, you saw the power of Metcalfe's law. As the network grows, the exponentially more valuable the network becomes. So, is the DeFi network growing? Well, hold on to your hats. Check this out. Now, just take a look at these next couple of charts. So, what are we looking at? This is the total DeFi users over time. And this time frame goes back a couple of years. And just look at this growth curve. DeFi users right now is exploding. This is a chart showing how much money is being locked away in these DeFi protocols. And this is known as TVL, total value locked. And again, from a monetary point of view now, it is starting to explode. In fact, it's jumped up now to 40 billion locked away. And as far as a growth percentage, year on year, this works out to be over 3,000% growth. And finally, this is a website called DeFi Pulse. And this is the chart that I just showed you. And that it is now just got over 40 billion locked away. But if we scroll down, we can see which platform all of these DeFi projects are using. So we can break it into categories of lending, DEXs, derivatives, payments, and assets. So we can see from a lending point of view, Ethereum, 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 in fact, Ethereum all the way down. The decentralized exchanges, Ethereum all the way down. Derivatives, Ethereum all the way down. Payments, pretty much another clean sweep apart from the Bitcoin Lightning Network. And finally, assets, again, a full clean sweep for Ethereum. So there you are, guys. That was a snapshot of what is happening in the world of DeFi. DeFi has grown over 3,000% over the last year, and the great news is that all of the biggest projects and protocols are being built on Ethereum. This is why I think the Ethereum price is set to soar as all these networks continue to grow and the power of Metcalfe's law begins to take full effect. And that is why I think this is Ethereum's biggest competitive advantage. So, hopefully you found this useful. In fact, just one favor to ask: if you did find anything useful in the video or just a big fan of Ethereum, be sure to drop a like. That would be much appreciated. Let's see if we can get this to 10,000 likes. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, I invite you to click below and join us. I do have some great videos coming up that you don't want to miss. Any questions or comments, just post them below. Okay, cheers guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.